Then we want to work on brushing the grass and feeling that club going down, okay? And as I was telling you earlier, how to get that club to go down is my hands, okay, have to kind of go up a little bit. And when my hands go up, you can see how that club then swings out, and that's what lets that club head hit down. If I try to hit down on the ball with just my hands and wrists, you can see I'm going to hit way back behind the golf ball. So I do want to hit down, but I want to hit down because there's a second circle, and that circle is my hand path. So there's two circles. There's the club head swing that swings around in the circle there, and then my hands swing around in a circle. And so through the hitting area, in order for the club head to go down and square up, my hands are going to go up and in a little bit. And you can see when my hands go up, the club head goes down. When my hands go in, that's what squares it up. So just practicing brushing the grass and feeling like your hands are going up a little bit and feeling like you brush the grass. And you can see how I'm working on hitting down on the golf ball, okay? Hey, thanks for watching this video. If you have any comments, leave them down below. Go ahead and subscribe to this channel because every week I'll be putting out a new video so that you can try them out on the golf course or the driving range. Also, if you want more information, check out my website at www.joeparkgolf.com where you can find all my contact information. Thanks for watching.